We came for two cases. The most important one was Justice Crack. He's been granted bail, although the bail conditions were ridiculous. But the lawyer said they will work on it. What we had demanded for was the Ministry of Justice to discontinue the case. There was no offense committed, so there was no basis for prosecution. My own case was against Twitter, and we have asked the judge to return the file to the CJ because he has already ruled on a sister case in a way that we believe will affect his judgment in the next case. Yes. Any other question? Yes. They said he's a level 15 civil servant. He has to drop his international passport, and also that the level 15 civil servant must provide rent agreement for 4 consecutive years. They don't even want the level 15 civil servant to progress. It has to be someone who is renting house from, you know, these are ridiculous conditions placed in his way. My worry is that even after meeting the conditions, the lawless DSS might decide not to release him, claiming that they want to re-verify, because they did it to me before in 2019. After meeting my bail condition, they said I should go and bring my sureties to the DSS. So I gave them a middle finger, and that cost me another 1 month in detention. And when they finally released me, the next day they came and abducted me here at the Federal High Court. So I just hope the lawyers understand who they are dealing with. But if they don't release him within a reasonable period, we will take action. We are always ready to take action. Yes. Even, you know, today the lawyers wrote a press release that we should not come to court. We don't owe the lawyers any obligation to fight for justice. We owe Justice Crack and his family, but most importantly, posterity, to fight to ensure that his rights are not violated. That's what we came here to do today. And you all reasonably did fantastically well. And I'm sure it is because we're outside that he got his bail approved today.
He mentioned that because Justice Crack
I was not in court because the DSS did not allow me to attend the trial. So, but I think we have all gone past that. The bail has been granted. His lawyers have acted on himself, and we should move on with our lives.
Sir, as regards your case with Twitter, should the judge refuse to hand your file over to the CJN, what's next?
He can take it home. That's fine. Yes. He has to, but if he refuses, then we'll take it from there. Because we also have another recuser coming in the criminal matter tomorrow. So we are going to file for him to recuse himself, because he was the judge that asked my lawyer to kneel down. And we've told him that that's the worst form of judicial rascality, to ask a lawyer that spent 6 years in law school and faculty of law to come and kneel down before a judge. I've never heard it before. A judge is also a lawyer. That's a disrespect to a fellow learned, a disrespect to a learned colleague of his. Unacceptable. So that one is also going to be filed hopefully tomorrow. Although he said he has an assignment and he might end up, but he said we should come at 3 o'clock tomorrow. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
I have a remark to